What is permitting? Permitting is the final step in the process prior to installation. Without permits, you cannot install or operate your solar system. How to obtain permits? Depending on your location, you may be required to obtain multiple permits from the city. Once these are obtained, you will also need to apply to your energy distributor for an interconnection agreement, also known as a microgen agreement, which is provided to you on the basis of your system not exceeding 100% of your annual consumption for the last 12 months. How long does this process take? This process generally takes 5 to 7 weeks, depending on your location and the complexity of your project. But don't worry, Horizon Energy will do all of this for you on your behalf. What else is required to operate your solar system? Now that you have your permits on microgen in place, it's time to install your system. Generally, an installation takes between 1 and 3 days, depending on the complexity of your project. Once the installation is complete, we then need the city to come over and inspect the site to make sure that our work is in line with the regulations. After the inspection, we'll place a request to your energy distributor to ensure that they do the meter swap to change your meter from a normal one-directional to a bi-directional meter to allow you to export power. In some areas, this has already been carried out. Once again, Horizon Energy will take care of all of this for you.